Hi dear friends, for easy and fast learning of English grammar, please subscribe Easy and Fast English Grammar channel. Today, there's an interesting topic we discuss about questions in simple present tense. How to make questions in simple present tense. Note that do and does are the helping verbs or auxiliary verbs in simple present tense. So to make questions, these helping verbs help us. Verb is an action word. Verb is an action word. For example, go, come, play, drink, dance, drive, etc. So in simple present tense, a singular verb is formed with the help of the helping verb does. Does plus verb is a singular verb. For example, come plus does or does plus come is comes. Does plus go is goes. Does plus play plays. Otherwise, plays means does plus play. Teaches is does plus teach. Goes is does plus go. Comes is does plus come. Let's take an example. Daddy comes home in the evening. What's the verb? Comes is the verb here. That's the action word. Comes is equal to does plus come. It's very easy to find out the helping verb from a singular verb. Verb comes has is there, so does plus come. Pick does. Pick the helping verb does and place it in front of the sentence. So the sentence is Daddy comes in the evening. So see, comes is equal to does plus come. Pick the helping verb does, place it in front of the sentence. Now the question is formed. Does Daddy come in the evening? Does Daddy comes is wrong. Does plus come is comes. So the question is, does Daddy come in the evening? It's very easy. Let's see other examples. She dances well. Dances. Does plus dance is dances. So, does she dance well? David plays cricket. Plays is verb. Does plus play. Does he play cricket? Does David play cricket? Now, let's discuss about the plural verbs. Come is plural. That means do plus come is come. What's go? Do plus go is go. Sleep. Do plus sleep. Do plus drive is drive. Now let's see sentences. Boys play cricket. What's the verb? Play is the verb. Play is equal to do plus play. Pick, do, place it in front. Do boys play cricket? Girls dance well. The verb is dance. Do plus dance is dance. So put do in front of the sentence. Now question is, do girls dance well? I talk to my friend often. Do I talk to my friend often? Another question from the same sentence. Do you talk to your friend often? So the questions start with the helping verbs are called helping verb questions or open close questions. What are open close questions? These questions get the answer yes or no. So open close questions or yes or no questions. Do you go for a walk every day? The answers can be yes, I go for a walk every day, or no, I don't go for a walk every day. So these are yes or no questions or open close questions. Now we will see WH questions in simple present tense. What are WH questions? The question word questions. For example, what, why, where, which, who, whose, etc. Let's see the examples. She goes to school. Make a question using the question word where. What's the verb here? Goes. Goes is equal to does plus go. So let's start the question. We'll place where in front. Where does she go? John writes a letter. The question word what is in the bracket. Writes is the verb here. Writes is equal to does plus write. So let's start. What does John write? And now plural verb. They go to office daily. They is plural subject. So the verb is go. Go is equal to do plus go. Where do they go daily? Where do they go daily? Next, they build a house. What's the verb here? Build is the verb here. Build is equal to do plus build. So let's start. What do they build? Watch the video repeatedly to learn perfectly. Kindly subscribe for more videos. Please leave your comments. Thank you.